Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by inspecting the chain and mounting plates so you know what to replace, remove any loose screws, and test the chain movement. Next, hold the chain plate against the door edge and mark exact pilot points using the holes as guides. Drill small pilot holes to prevent splitting, match bit to screw core. Once done, clear debris and stage replacement parts in order. Make sure to keep screws and small parts in a tray so nothing gets lost while you continue. Now mount the fixed plate first. Align it precisely and start screws by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once all screws are started, tighten them gradually in a diagonal pattern so the plate seats evenly. That reduces stress and keeps the chain aligned. Attach the wall-mounted catch on the frame, checking clearance so the chain slides in smoothly when engaged. Test the chain multiple times. If binding occurs, loosen and reseat until the motion is free and secure. Make sure each screw is snug, but not over-torqued. Finish by testing the chain under normal force. Open the door slowly with the chain engaged to ensure it stops at the intended gap and doesn't lever loose. If the plate pulls out or the screws spin, replace screws with longer ones or install suitable anchors for the frame material. That increases holding power. Once aligned, apply a light lubricant to the chain links to prevent squeak and check again after 24 hours of normal use. If problems persist, tighten or reposition plates slightly and retest.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.